This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about steam table pans, specifically these foil luxe steam table pans. And we have 3 sizes available for you in these great aluminum trays. The full is 20 3/4 inches by 12 3/4, and it's 3.5 inches deep. The half is 12 3/4 by 10.5 and is 2.5 inches deep. And finally, the third or loaf pan size in the back is 12.5 by 6.5 and 3.25 inch deep. There are lids available for all of these, and we have a couple of them here. And you can see the lids are nice aluminum. They have little tabs on the side so that they're easy to place down over your pan. Quickly fold under for a nice, tight, secure cover that's going to help you prevent leaks and spills, and it's going to be more durable and resistant to damage and getting poked through or punctured during transport than just covering these with regular aluminum foil. And the lids are available for all 3 sizes, and we also have the full here as well. So you can see it makes for an easy, quick, convenient, secure cover, especially for those larger pan sizes. These versatile pans are perfect for prepping, cooking, and presentation of foods. The high-quality aluminum pans are both sturdy and strong, and the full size holds up to 346 ounces, meaning you can really prep a lot of foods in these and easily securely transport, prepare, and present them. They're oven safe, allowing you to easily bake and broil in them, and they're also safe for use in both the freezer and refrigerator, meaning that they're going to be great for the prep and storage of foods and also for the storage of leftovers. These chafing dish pans are stackable, allowing you to save space in your fridges, freezers, and prep areas. And the pans are recyclable for easy cleanup post-event. And who doesn't like a quicker cleanup after a long night? The lids are great to help avoid messes and spills and are sold separately for the pans, so you only have to order those if you need them. They're perfect for anyone that is catering an event, from professionals doing large events like weddings to just your next gathering at home or family picnic.